Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me are HyperX Cloud Mix Buds, and I'm going to show you how to easily pair them with your Android phone. Let's get started. So first we have to open the lid and hold this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, we are in pairing mode, so we have to scroll down to the control panel, hold everything on Bluetooth and click pair new device. As you can see, our headphones are there, so we have to click on them. We have to click allow and pair. And now we are paired. That's it. Like and subscribe for more details of videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye.